In this tutorial, I'll show you how to view purchase history in Coinbase on Android. Begin by locating and tapping on the Coinbase app icon on your Android device's home screen or app drawer. If you haven't already signed in, enter your credentials and log in to your Coinbase account. Once logged in, tap on the cryptocurrency tab located at the bottom of the screen, and this will take you to your watch list, where you can see cryptocurrencies you're monitoring. From the watch list page, tap on the Crypto Wallet tab. This tab will display the list of cryptocurrencies you own. Just scroll down to the Crypto Wallet page to find the specific cryptocurrency for which you want to view the purchase history. Tap on the cryptocurrency to expand it, then look for options or tabs related to the transaction history or purchase history. Here, you should be able to view the details of your past purchases for the last particular cryptocurrency. And that's it. You can now view the purchase history for a specific cryptocurrency within the Coinbase mobile app on your Android device. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.